Hello friends, now we are going to see characteristics of cloud computing. High availability and reliability. Availability of server is very high and it's a more reliable because chance of infrastructure failure is minimal. High scalability means on-demand provisioning of resources on a large scale. Means whenever user need a more server, with a simple click they can increase the server, and whenever they don't need they can decrease the server. Multi-sharing. With the help of cloud computing, multiple user and applications can do their work more efficiently, and they can cost less because they are sharing a common infrastructure. Device location independence means cloud computing enables the user to access a system from the web browser regardless of their location and what kind of device they are using. With the location independency, user can access a particular software or any system from anywhere because the infrastructure provided by the third party and user access via the internet, so they can access from anywhere. Maintenance. Maintenance of cloud computing application is very easily because user no need to access it from the particular local PC. Maintenance can be done by anywhere. Low cost. By using a cloud computing, the cost will be reduced because the IT company no need to set infrastructure on their own. They just need to purchase particular software and infrastructure from the third party. So it reduces the cost. Service in pay per use mode. Cloud computing provides the APIs. With these APIs, user can use a cloud services. On basis of this cloud core services, user can pay only what they are using. The service can be charged as a monthly subscription, yearly subscription, or any kind of other applicable. In the next video, we are going to see advantages and disadvantages of cloud computing.